Welcome to Science Phase from MR Academy. Today we are going to see about the human heart. So let's move on to the topic. The heart is an organ which pumps the body fluid throughout the body. Hence we can compare it with an ordinary water pump at our home. However, ordinary does not indicate that it is not important. It is one of the vital organs of the body. Listeners, please do take your pen or pencil for taking hints. Cardiology is a branch of biology in which the study of heart is done, and the whole system is called cardiovascular system. The next thing is the structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ found in all organisms, that is human beings and animals, which pump the blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. The heart is enclosed in a pericardial sac, that is lined with the parietal layers of serous membrane. So the heart has three layers. Outermost layer is pericardium, middle layer is myocardium, and the innermost layer is endocardium. Now comes the measurement. The length of the human heart is 12 centimeter. The breadth of the human heart is 9 centimeter. The thickness of the human heart is 6 centimeter. Overall, the weight of a human heart is 300 grams. So, a healthy heart pumps 70 milliliter of blood in one cycle, and the heart beats for 72 times in a minute, which is termed as the heart rate or the pulse rate. The instrument used for measuring the pulse rate is stethoscope, which is measured on a radial artery. So 5 liters of total blood is pumped in 1 minute, which is called heart capacity. Next, blood pressure. Scientist Hales in 1733 for the first time measured the blood pressure of a horse. Blood pressure of a healthy person is 120/80 mmHg. So, the blood pressure is of two types. Hypotension, that is low BP, when the blood pressure in the arteries is abnormally low. It is less than or equal to 90/60 mmHg. Hypertension, high BP, when the force of the blood against the artery walls is too high. It is more than or equal to 140/90 mmHg. So the instrument used for measuring the blood pressure is called sphygmomanometer. The location of the human heart is just behind and slightly left of the breastbone, or it is located between the lungs in the middle compartment of the chest. So, based on whether the blood is transported by means of vessel or not, the circulatory system is divided into two parts, that is open circulatory system and the closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system, when the blood is not get pumped into the blood vessels and the organs directly or in contact with the blood. So this type of system is seen generally in primitive organs, especially initial, that is non-chordates. This system is not properly efficient, whereas closed circulatory system, it is a system in which the blood is pumped to the blood vessel, that is arteries, veins, and the capillaries. Okay, and based on the types of blood contained, that is oxygenated or deoxygenated, the blood vessels are divided into three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries, it takes the blood from the heart, which is oxygenated blood. It is the most thick blood vessel. Veins, it carries deoxygenated blood from the organs to the heart. These vessels are intermediate in terms of thickness. The third thing is capillaries. A capillary is extremely thin blood vessel located within the tissue of the body that transport blood from arteries to veins. Capillaries are the most abundant in tissues and organs that are metabolically active. The next thing is we need to know that some organs are less active and hence need not require fast respiration, while others are very active and needs a high rate of respiration. Therefore, based on this, the heart is also evolved and it is categorized into three types. That is two-chambered heart. It consists of one atrium and one ventricle. It is a characteristic features of fishes. So which are the fishes have to live in water and hence there is less effort in living. So they have two-chambered heart. Next category is three-chambered heart. It contains two auricles and one ventricle. It is characteristic feature of reptiles and amphibians as they have to strive for their lives. Next category is four-chambered heart. It contains two auricles and two ventricles. It is a characteristic feature of mammals. They require high energy to perform their function. Thanks for watching, and in the part 2 video you will be knowing about the anatomy of heart and the functioning of heart. Thanks for watching.